How to download Halifax online banking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download Halifax online banking application, firstly make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now open your App Store or your Play Store and tap on the search bar and search for Halifax online banking. Tap on the first option you see there and go ahead and tap on the Get button, and now enter your Face ID or passcode for the download to begin. Halifax is a British banking bank operating as a tradition division of Bank of Scotland. It is wholly owned subsidiary of Lloyds Bank Group. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button you see there and launch the application. Go ahead and allow the permissions the app requires and enter your login credentials and sign yourself in, and this is how you can download Halifax online banking application. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.